Welcome to YSU. Our main video conferencing and virtual meeting software is Webex. Faculty can utilize Webex meetings to host online and hybrid classes, invite guest speakers to present virtually, or hold departmental meetings remotely. Webex has many useful features such as the ability to record lectures, closed captioning, and an AI assistant that generates a transcript and highlights of each meeting. Faculty can access the web version of Webex at ysu.webex.com. You will need to sign into Webex using your full YSU email address and password. You can start, join, or schedule your meetings from the web app. You will also find your meeting schedule and recorded meetings here. If you'd like to download the Webex desktop app, click Downloads toward the bottom of the left menu and follow the prompts. You can find more information as well as training materials in our Webex knowledge base that are linked within this module.